In the next 7 days, I'm going to face 7 toughest challenges of my life. Welcome to 7 days, 7 challenges.
Hello everybody, welcome to 7.
Hiding. It's probably hiding on the boat. No, it's pretty real.
Welcome to 7 challenges. I sound so dramatic, man. Currently, we are at Lake Eacham, which is like kind of cute name, but apparently there's a crocodile living around here, man. Just quick talk because I've heard there's like crocodile here. So if you can tell us, is there one crocodile or is there not?
There is a crocodile.
Definitely is a crocodile here. Yeah.
Today is our first day of challenging. I have to spend a day and a night on this bad boy. And the rules are simple for today. As soon as I step my foot into this boat, I can't leave until the next day. With the crocodile eating me or without the crocodile eating me.
See ya.
Alright, Katie, come in with me for this romantic trip. Oh. This is beautiful, man. Tell me, if I don't make it, till tomorrow, what's gonna happen with me, Kate?
Oh, I know.
What's gonna, Kate, tell us.
Gonna dye your hair pink.
Yep, that's right. If I breach any rules in this competition, or let's call it challenge, then I'm gonna have to pay for it. And Kate is the judge. Okay, so for this time, if I don't make it through, my hair goes pink.
So I don't know how that's gonna work, but I already feel some water coming in. So
Come on.
I'm saved. Alright, so I got out finally. I'm gonna make some food for David as well, maybe. Bye bye.
The challenge only started, but I'm really having troubles already. I have to pee. Here we are. I found this beautiful spot where no one can see me. I need to stabilize this boat now. It's moving way too much for being able to pee. The boat copped it a little bit. Just wash it off and we're just good to go.
Did you miss me?
Oh my god, so much.
Food delivery.
Can't get any better. Yeah, the sun is kind of strong today. Okay, so the sunscreen was on and I was ready to hunt the crocodile down. So right now I'm pedaling and I feel like this challenge is nothing but a pedaling. So I'm looking for the crocodile. Well, obviously couldn't find it, but what happened? I found myself in these beautiful waters and I just couldn't get enough of it. After a long time, I turned off my phone and I could just relax and listen. I knew that the hardest challenge was just coming. I knew the night was gonna be the hardest part of this challenge. But for now, I'm going to see Kate and we're going to enjoy our last moment together before we hit the bed. So just so you know, I hate this game.
So it's 1. Yeah, so you have to put a scoop in your mouth.
The worst.
Alright, now my turn. 3.
3. Very easy. And say, Nekula Cholinka Teishi.
Oh, yay!
Oh man, everything is wet in here.
Really? Like even your pants?
Little bit. We kept playing and drinking as it was getting dark. The time to separate our ways for the night has come. And deeply inside I knew that the hard part hasn't even begun yet. So currently it's 8 p.m. You can't see anything, but I'm still on the water. And I'm gonna be here another at least 12 hours until the morning. It's pretty scary, man. You can't see anything. The stars are beautiful though. I'll keep you updated. And probably like 10 p.m. again. And then 12 p.m. and then hopefully, I don't know. Hopefully I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna try to sleep. Nope, I didn't. Instead, I was fighting with my thoughts. As it was getting more late, the wildlife around me was getting louder. I couldn't concentrate on anything but how to survive the cold and how to fall asleep at least for a few minutes. There were few moments where I almost gave up, but somehow I managed and survived all night on the lake.
Hello. You still here?
Best night of my life.
Yeah, but
8 a.m. and we are out. Oh.
You are a free man again. So yeah, it's rubbish after you.
First challenge done and straight on to another one. See you in the next episode.
Say the more we drink special amber, special amber, special amber. More we drink special amber, and the happier we shall be. Say the more we laugh together, together, together.